It all started with a jammed printer. Not exactly a disaster, so I did what anyone else would do. I Googled it. I found a seemingly helpful tech blog that had the same printer model, the same issue, even the same error code. It was perfect. The site gave me simple instructions. Press Windows R plus Control V plus Enter to reset the printer spooler. There were no downloads, no weird pop-ups, no click here for a fix. Just a quick keyboard shortcut from a seemingly helpful site. So I did it. That's the moment that everything went sideways. See, I didn't realize that the blog had inserted something into my clipboard so that when I hit Control V, I didn't paste a helpful command. I pasted malware that instantly downloaded and installed itself. Invisible. Instant. Game over. A few minutes later, my file started acting weird, and then came the pop-ups, and then the dreaded message, your system has been locked. All because I trusted a random blog post. So what's the takeaway? At work? Call IT or security. Never trust a stranger on the internet to fix things. At home? Never run commands that you do not understand, even if they seem or look harmless. Just a few seconds of, wait, does that make sense? Can save you hours of chaos and a very expensive lesson.